Imagine this being you. You've set some really cool goals for yourself that you really want to achieve, for example, getting a six-pack. After you set your goal, you start instantly putting in the work to achieve your goal. But all of a sudden you think you can just skip a workout because one workout doesn't make that big of a difference, right? And before you know it, you're back in your old routine and you did not achieve your goal. That sucks, right? The odds are really big that this happened to you at least once. Well, I got a solution for you, my friend, which will incredibly increase your odds for success. Okay, now you're probably wondering what the hell that solution is. The solution is the ultimate success formula. This formula was invented by the multimillionaire and life coach Tony Robbins. This man helped millions of people to achieve huge successes and is famous all over the world. Okay, but back to the formula. The formula consists of 5 parts. This formula helped me to reach over 40,000 subscribers on one of my YouTube channels, being able to do a muscle up in the gym, and much more. But the big question is, will this formula give you guaranteed success? No, of course not. It does, however, greatly increase your chances of success. Okay, but let's just start with the first step. First thing you need to do is seeing really clear what your outcome is. So before you even start working on your goal, visualize for yourself what it will be like if you already achieved what you want. See it as realistic as possible. Okay, imagine you really want a Lamborghini. Then really imagine as vividly as possible what it's like to take the canvas of the Lamborghini when you have bought it. Imagine what it feels like to drive it. How does it sound? How does it smell? What can you see? And of course, how does it feel? But hold on, be very specific with what you want. Just saying that you want a Lamborghini is not enough. Tell yourself which Lamborghini, which color, which specifications, how much horsepower should it have, and so on. The great part about visualization or just knowing your outcome is that your brain doesn't know the difference between imaginations and the real world. So if you manage to visualize your goal vividly, your brain will produce exactly the same happiness chemicals that it would produce if you actually achieve your goal. And if you do it right, it almost feels exactly the same. The reason why this step is so important has to do with the law of attraction, but I'll tell you more about that in another video. So make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss that one. Alright, you have the outcome in your head and you know exactly where you want to go. But often this is still not enough motivation for lazy people to actually do something. So if you want to stand out from the crowd and be part of the top 10%, I recommend you listen to this part very carefully. Okay, so the second step is know your reasons why you must do it. Come up with as many reasons as you can imagine why you must achieve your goal. Because if you have more strong reasons to achieve your goals, you'll automatically have more motivation to get to work. Okay, let's go back to the Lamborghini example. Let's say that the person who really wants that Lamborghini is Jeffrey. Jeffrey is watching this video and then is thinking about as many reasons as he can why he wants that Lamborghini so bad. Okay, firstly, Jeffrey thinks that it's really cool to drive an expensive car and to have a really good status. It's also really important for him to make his family proud, and he knows that this will automatically happen if he will get the Lamborghini. He also likes racing cars and cars that can accelerate really fast. And bam, Jeffrey already has 3 reasons why you should get that Lamborghini. But if you find yourself struggling finding your reasons why, ask yourself this question: what is really important to me? Make sure you write down the answers to this question so you will get more reasons why you should achieve your goal. Oh, and by the way, a reason like I just think it's cool is not going to work. The reason why this step is so important is because it gives you motivation to get to work. Again, this step can actually set you apart from the other 90% that will fail. And I know I already said this like 20 times this video, but if you want to be part of the big boys and want to get success, all you have to do is apply these steps to your life. It's really that simple actually. Okay, and now we're already at the 3rd step. And if you got to this part of the video, I know you are serious and you are born to get success. Okay, so the 3rd step is take massive action. It's really hard to get success by doing nothing. Do everything you can to achieve your goal, and always remember why you started. So make sure you always remember why you wanted to achieve this goal so badly. Become almost obsessed with achieving your goal. Make sure you work early mornings until late evenings and keep going until you get what you want. But wait, hold on. You need to be very careful that you do not make a very noob mistake. I've made this mistake way too many times and it costed me way too much time and effort. You have to ask yourself if your current approach is the most effective one. Remember that what works today may not work tomorrow. So the last step is keep changing your approach until you get what you want. I made this noob mistake while I was trying to reach 10,000 subscribers on one of my YouTube channels. In the beginning of my YouTube channel, I was always busy playing Fortnite with my viewers. And in the pandemic, this was really key and it really resulted into a lot of new subscribers. And I think I grew from like 200 subscribers to 5,000. But when the pandemic was over, this strategy didn't work anymore. And I realized this way too late. My channel started to die, I got less and less viewers and I almost quit it. But it was exactly at that point that I picked myself up and did everything I could to find a new strategy. I found a new strategy and I gained almost 8 times the subscribers amount that I had before in a year. So again, don't get stuck in one approach. Sometimes you really have to put your ego aside and make not the nicest but the right decisions. Remember that it's almost impossible to not get success if you just keep trying. Know the outcome, know your reasons why, work like a maniac, keep changing your approach, and you will achieve success. Make sure to do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it, and keep on grinding. See you later.